I'm your intuitive love reader, aka the Mystic Siren. If you're manifesting love and abundance, I got something very special for you. I have your all authentic and high quality crystals blessed and ritualized by the Enlightened God. Black tourmaline for grounding and protection. Brazilian citrine for attraction of money and abundance. Madagascar rose quartz for attraction of love and harmonious relationship. And of course, our lucky red string bracelet with jade charm to attract love and money. PM me kung paano ka magkaroon ng high quality, blessed, and ritualized na crystals na to. Pisces! This is a Pisces reading for the month of April. For your personal reading, kindly send me a direct message. Kamusta mga Pisces? May nakita akong card kanina. You feel unloved? You feel na yung mga binibigay mong pagmamahal para sa person mo, hindi ka nasusuklian? Bakit yan nagtatampo? Anong nangyayari sa mga Pisces? You feel na parang swerte ka naman. Meron kang wino-workout na financial stability, swerte ka naman, but feeling mo may mga tao sa paligid mo na dinadaya ka or ninanakawan ka. Scam, utang. Okay. The person you're dealing with, I feel ang dami mo ring like doubts, no? Na parang kung ano ang intention, totoo ba yung love offer sa'yo ng person mo? Let's see. Pisces. Pisces reading for the month of April. Daming chismis para sa mga Pisces. Alright. Okay. Daming doubts. May chismis. Ano to? Ano tong chismis na to? My gosh. Okay, last three. Last three. Ano to, Pisces? Okay. May chismis sa mga Pisces. Pagod ka nang ipaglaban ang passionate connection na to. Or you're not really ready to pursue a serious commitment. Sabi mo is gusto mo lang is casual for now. Okay? Wala kang panahon para mag-build ng relationship with anyone else. Kasi sabi mo, feeling ko, no, parang yung ganitong energy is may hang up ka pa sa past, meron ka pang emotional connection, or hindi ka pa sobrang over sa isang past person. Okay? Right now, nagpaplano ka about family, if you have kids, no, gusto mong maging, yung feeling of being really financially okay, financially stable. Gusto mo ng isang negosyo na parang, kung baga nasa taas ka, na walang masyadong competition, you're thinking na magkaroon ka ng ganon. Okay? Right now, again, if you have kids, nagfo-focus ka sa kids, sila yung happiness mo. Sobrang ang daming nangyayaring disappointing situation sa life mo. Okay? And kung walang kids, it's like, you're trying to be happy, no? And merong mga, like, libangan, childlike energy na doon ka nagfo-focus para lang ma-distract ka from mga disappointing situation na nangyayari sa you right now. You're trying to find the balance, no? Marami kang hinihintay na mga manifestations mo. Meron kang mga nag-invest ka on something new, I feel. And if you're investing sa isang bagong relasyon, sabi mo is iingatan mo to. Okay? But sa love, I don't feel na ready ka for commitment right now. Parang may connection na sobrang nakasakit sa'yo in the past, na natatakot ka nang matali na naman sa isang connection. Okay, the reason for the reading is nagkaroon ng isang very stable connection in the past na parang naging shaky, nagkaroon ng maraming problema. And nagkaroon ng mga legalities here. Okay, nagkaroon ba ng like divorce? Okay, for some of you, nakita ko naman na nagkaroon ng parang rocky situation but you choose to do what is right. It's either nagkaroon ng annulment or inayos. Parang nagkaroon ka ng decision to do what's best for you. Okay? But recent past, nagkakaroon ka ng atras, abante energy. You feel very uncertain about what's happening sa buhay mo. Okay? Maraming travel, you had a new beginning, at meron kang, okay? Kung sino yung female energy dito, parang nagsalita ng hindi maganda dun sa partner. I feel, yun din yung nag-trigger for you to, for the both of you to have a new beginning. Okay? Nagkaroon ng real talk. Marami kang pinagpe-pray kasi merong mga nakaka-confuse sa'yo kung ano man yung nangyayari sa life mo. Okay? kung ano yung mga tamang decision na gawin. Okay. Right now, sabi mo is ready ka namang magmahal, ready ka. Totoo yung pagmamahal mo sa person mo, sa present person mo. But yung person mo, feeling niya, parang mas hindi ready, okay? Yung person ng Pisces, mas hindi ready magbigay ng buo. Kaya ngayon, yung mga Pisces, natatakot sila na, kasi nararamdaman na hindi fully invested yung person. Oh my gosh! I feel merong mga nai-involve here sa connection na to na hindi tama. Kaya napaka-uncertain ng energy. May ina-entertain na iba. So Pisces, naisip mo ngayon na parang nasayang ba lahat ng effort mo sa person na to. Pero ayaw mo na ng away, ayaw mo na ng drama. Okay? I feel in the next 3 months, mag-hold back ka ng offer, even communication, medyo hindi na magiging tulad dati. Meron ka mga gustong sabihin, minsan parang you feel na parang gusto mo maging mag-war mode, but pipigilan mo yung sarili mo at iisipin mo, mas mabuti na lang, wag na lang munang magsalita. Damage control, okay? May hirapan ka to move forward, nasaktan ka sa connection na to, mahirapan ka to move forward. Meron pang isang, parang it's either naging long-term tong partnership na to at nahihirapan ka pa rin mag-move forward sa kanya. Na parang para sa'yo, siya pa rin yung fiancé mo, siya pa rin yung husband or wife mo. Pero feeling mo wala nang mangyayari, though you're still manifesting na sobrang nasaktan ka sa relationship na to. And I feel you're manifesting your strength na magkaroon ka na ng, yun nga, yung strength na para kausapin tong person na to, kung ano ba talaga ang relasyon na to. Saan ba talaga papunta? Tapos na, kailangan na ba talagang tapusin or kung ano man. Alright? And that is the Pisces reading for the month of April. See you again in a few days for your May reading. Bye-bye, Pisces.